Alright, just finished work for the day. It's about 1 p.m. on a Saturday and I'm hungry. I'm thinking of going to eat out. There is a specific place that I want to go to. This restaurant is actually owned by a Fijian lady. She's from Fiji and she does a very good curry. I'm looking forward to going to this place. So I'm just going to go have my shower and then off to this restaurant. So I'm here at the Parklea market. This place is always packed on the weekends. Look at the car park. Parklea market. This shop is right behind the Parklea market. So you're gonna, that's the main entrance from there. You're gonna come past the fruit section and some shops, and then all the way to the restaurant. This is where the shop is. It's right at the back of the Parklea market. Flavours of Fiji. Let's go have a look. Fiji. I'm from where?
I'm Lotoka, Western.
You're from Lotoka? Where about? I went to school in Lotoka.
I'm from Kashmir.
Kashmir? Yeah, I know Lotoka very well. Kashmir, Kashmir and what's the name? Filfoti? No.
Filfoti, Kashmir.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah. So can I get a goat curry?
One goat curry.
One goat curry, and I'll try lamb as well.
You want goat curry platter and lamb curry, right?
Yes, please.
Lamb in a bowl.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
In the platter, I will have one roti,
Yeah.
rice, dal, and goat curry. So if you don't want rice, I can give you 2 rotis, or you can add extra rotis here.
Yeah. So yeah, 3 rotis should do,
You want-
or maybe 4 roti.
4 rotis.
Yeah.
Okay, extra 3 rotis, right?
Yeah.
No, this is. Here was it?
Can I grab a water, please?
Water?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow.
Thank you.
Right, thank you. Have a seat.
Yeah?
I'm bringing that.
All right, thanks.
Yes. Yes, darling, have a minute.
So at the front counter, there's no food on a display. They prepare the food at the back once you ordered it. It means it's been prepared for you fresh. So, which is good. I like it that way.
We go 3rd December. 3rd December.
Oh, you're here for holiday only.
Yeah.
3rd December. When are you going back?
17.
17.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Fiji.
No, where in Fiji?
Lotoka.
Both in Lotoka.
Yeah. She's my brother. Yeah.
Are you your mom? Mom and daughter. Oh, nice to meet you. She's from Lotoka as well.
Oh, yes.
The lady.
Yeah.
Where are you staying at the moment?
My aunt's place.
Castle Hill?
Yes.
Where?
Yeah. It's we are from 2 hours. It takes
2 hours from here?
Yes.
Newcastle, you mean?
Newcastle. Right.
Newcastle. All the way from Newcastle to come
Yeah.
just for lunch or?
No. In the afternoon we are going to play this place.
Okay. Look, it's nice to meet you. When are you going back?
17.
17.
Yeah.
Okay. Make the most of it. That's next Wednesday.
Yeah, no, Tuesday.
No, Tuesday. Okay. Have a good day, okay? Thank you. They are from Fiji. They're just here for holiday. Wow.
You know, I bring
Yeah?
chicken.
Yeah?
Goat is finished. This
Okay.
is lamb, this is
Lemon chicken. Okay.
yes.
All right.
Enjoy that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Wow, look at this. Right? Let me show you. There you go. That is a lamb and that's chicken. Nice. What's the jungly murgi? Is there rooster or just chicken? Just chicken. Okay, just chicken. So I've got lamb and chicken. Now let me show you the roti. The roti here is the next level. Look at it. How soft this roti is. It's a good sized roti. I ordered 4, but I think it's a lot. let's get into it. Dal. How good is this, right? Look at this roti. How soft this roti is. Ooh. How good is this? Let me try chicken. So good. That food was really nice, very good. I would definitely come back here. It's so good. The curry lamb, it's off the chart, that one. Curry chicken as well. I've ordered more roti thinking that it was gonna be a small size roti, but they decent size, and they were good. They were really good. I love that. You know, our Fijian Indian women, they know how to cook curry. They are the best at this. Even the roti was amazing. But this lady has obviously been cooking for a long time and she knows what she's doing. I would definitely come back here. It's so good. She sells some Fijian food as well. Corned beef, corned mutton, peanut ruffs, bongo, some curry, and a crackers there. So I'm with the owner, Sue. She's the owner of the Flavours of Fiji. How long have you been?
This is my 6th year.
6 years. She's been here for 6 years. What about the hot food? What do you make here?
We make duck, jalli murgi. We make lamb, goat, chicken palau, lamb palau, goat palau, and fried rice and chop suey. We make on board chicken chow mein and chili chicken.
That's a lot. But I was saying that you got no counter at the front, which is good that you're serving the food for us fresh, you know what I mean? Yeah, serving the food for fresh.
Yeah, we make on board.
Yeah, make on top. The food didn't take long to come up. It's really good. Only 5 minutes, I think. Yeah, good service, very good. What other frozen food do you sell at the back?
The frozen food, I got cassava, dalo, I got nakai, I got daruka.
Duruka?
Jackfruit, bellfruit,
Everything.
All frozen,
Right.
frozen foods,
Yeah. Then this is
My daughter,
daughter. This is her daughter. What's her name again?
and
This is her daughter, Ange. All right. Okay, Sue. Thank you very much. All right. Thanks. Sue's restaurant is very convenient. It's right inside the market. You can come and do your shopping here. There's fresh vegetables here, fruits. You go, hey, Ebola. There's a clothes shop, meat market over there. You know, everything that you need. You can come and do your shopping, then go have lunch at the Flavours of Fiji, or vice versa. You can go eat there, then come back and do your shopping, then you can go home. I tell you, come to the Flavours of Fiji. For me, I will definitely come back to the Flavours of Fiji. More there.